So when you open to canva.com, this is what you will see, right? So this is what you will see. Now, I am already logged in with my name. All right. So if I were to sign out, I would see the option of signing in again, but I'm not signing out. So when you log into your Canva, when you open your website, the first thing you should do is sign in. So okay, let me sign out so that you will see what I mean. Okay, so I've signed out. Now let me type the link again. Canva.com. Canva.com. Alright, so you touch this the second one. I don't know if this is how it will be on your phone, but this is how it is in my phone. So you come to these three dots. Are you seeing them? Then you come to sign up. So you allow it load, right? So continue with Google. So you can choose to continue with Facebook or continue with your email. It's left for you. But I'm choosing to sign in with my Google account, and this is my account. So it will load like this. So yeah, and it will not open like this for you. Okay, so this is your Canva website. Now the beautiful thing about Canva is that it gives you templates that you can easily edit and put whatever you want. So I'm just going to use a template to show you how the app works, right? Then I'll show you how to do the first assignment. So let's get started. So let's open flyers. So Canva uses this thing data connection. So you just have to wait. You have to wait. Although I heard that iPhone users have good network, so I believe that's to your advantage. But mine is kind of slow, so please bear with me. So it will load. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so if you're in case your Canva is like this, you reload it. Reload it and you will open your app again. Okay. Okay. We are going to use another template. Let's use posters. So let's touch this one for spring and allow it to load. All right, so this is your Canva app, and this big plus is what you can. If I touch this big plus now, are you seeing it? If I touch this big plus, there's templates, elements, gallery, uploads, text, and more. So um here you can see other people's templates. Network is not good. Then here you can get elements, all the shapes you want: triangle, square, rectangle, any shape you want from Canva. So the elements come out you can touch it, then add it to your design. See, they're already loading now. Yeah, so they're already loading. So these are elements. All right, different elements. This one here, you can drag it. These are the elements, so you don't really have to go and google for elements before you can get them. Anything you just want here, you type it in this search anything from Canva. You type what you want, then you get it. Although there are some things you can't download because they are premium, you have to pay to get them, but even without paying you can do amazing designs. So this one is gallery. You have to give it permission to go to your gallery. So it can work on images and it can work on videos. So you can take it to images. Then this is my recent, so you can choose the folder where you want it to collect from. Then you can upload to it. Then you can also touch text, so it will give you different text options. So that is that for that. Then so we can edit this spring now. Let's put them welcome. Okay, welcome. Then I can touch it and drag it from this end, yeah. Then you can use your hand to position it. Then if you want to reduce the size, you come to this AA font size, reduce the size just to what is okay for you, because that one just now was too big. So when you're actually reducing the size, you cancel it. Then you can choose to delete. If you touch delete, but I don't want to delete it because I don't know if the network will shake again. Then you can duplicate it. Maybe you want to write with this handwriting again, you duplicate it. All right, then when you duplicate it, you can write in duplicated welcome. Then the original welcome, if you want to work on it, you touch it and write inside by touching edit. Then fonts, you can change fonts. So you have different types of fonts. Some are premium, some are not premium. So the ones that are not premium are the ones you have access to. All right, so you cancel. Then you can change the color, touch color. Now when you are designing, it will actually give you options of the choice of colors you can use for writings. So that's why if you see the different colors they gave me now, because these leaves have this color, it gave me different shades of that color to use as an option. But there are other default colors that I can use if I feel like it's not the app that will tell me the colors to use. All right, so when I pick my color, I'll cancel. Then this is a format for alignment. So let's say you type something that is much, or let's say you type something that is much, you can align it with any of this, to the side, to the center, all right, or just this. But we are not going to use that, so we'll just leave it the way it was. This is the way it was. All right, then this one is for numbering. Let's say you want to list something. Okay, so but we're not using that. So then just like in Pixel Lab, this one is for spacing, line spacing and letter spacing. So if you see letter spacing now, you see the letters start going far from each other. So you can use it to bring them so close to each other. Then line spacing. If it's line spacing, okay, let's write something plenty so that you understand line spacing. Welcome to one of the most don't mind the fact that some things are leaving, we'll reduce it so that it will enter. Most amazing event you have ever seen. All right, so would come to our font size. We can't leave it like this now, it's too big. So we reduce the size. Yeah, we reduce the size, then we'll cancel. We'll come here, then we can push it from this edge. hold on. So you can push it. You can touch this welcome at the top and take it up. You can touch this welcome, and the welcome is actually disturbing me. So if I want to shift it up, I'll come to nudge. Now the nudge in Canva is very slow compared to the one in Pixel Lab, so you just have to keep touching it. I need space to put that long right up so that I can show you line spacing. Then this one is for adjustments. All right, so if I wanted to bring it down or to the side, I will use this. So these ones are just like consoles. So welcome to the most amazing class ever. Now I've written this, so let's come to nudge. Let's take it up. Okay, let's take it up. Then let's cancel. So I want to show you how to do line spacing. So this is spacing. Now line spacing, watch the letters, you see they start stretching. All right, it's like there's a gap in between them. Then we'll take them back again. Okay, so effects, there are different type of effects. You can give the letter a shadow. All right, notice that these letters are not big, too big. All right, so these effects are edits to the write-ups to make your work look more creative and crazy or beautiful. All right, so but we are not using that now. So we can touch this arrow at the top to go back to the way it was. Yes, this is not the way it was, Shabo. So that I will not go and overdo it and go and start again. So that is effect. Then animate. This animate to make it to start to look different. All right, so but we are not going to animate. There's simple, there's basic, simple writings, different types, but we are not doing that today. And there's transparency. You can choose to make it disappear. Maybe you don't want to see it anymore, but we still want to see it, so we'll cancel that. Then positioning, you can take it to the top, straight ahead, middle, straight ahead, or bottom, or left, center, or right. That depends on you, but we want it to just remain where it was. So we'll touch this arrow, touch the arrow, touch the arrow until it gets back to where it originally was. Okay, then we'll touch cancel. Then nudge. Then this is link, but I don't use it. You can lock this stuff so that it doesn't move, because me as a designer, I don't like when things are moving when I'm designing them. So if you want to open it, touch it with your hand, then unlock. But when you lock it, the things to edit it will disappear. All right, so then there's more. So when you are through with your design, you come here. Okay, so it's already downloading by itself even without me telling it to. So it has been saved to your gallery. Right, so let's check our gallery to see where exactly it entered. Okay, so it entered all photos in my gallery, so you just see it. So it has been saved. Right, so that is our introductory class to Canva.